Another day, another budoy. So, samahan niyo akong mag-body care. So, may mga na-discover ako. Matagal ko na to actually napapanood sa FYP. Yung The Elf, ayan, yung Alada Soap. Tapos yung Vaseline, Glutathione. So, pagsasama-samahin natin. Pero hindi natin siya i-mix. So, we're going to use them. So, tapos ko na akong mag-shower for today. So, ayan. So, Alada Soap yung ginamit ko. So, ito yung mini version nila. Kasi nakita ko to for buy one take one siya. So, ayan. So, pinugol ko para tipid, syempre. Mahal kaya nito. Tapos, yun. So, after kong ginamit yan, binabat ko yan like for 3 minutes. Then, so what we're going to do is we're going to do our day 1 of using this product. So, yung first product natin is itong KC3 Arbutin. So, this is made in Thailand. So, maganda daw itong pampaboost ng pampagutay. So, ayan siya. Binuksan ko na. So, medyo watery yung consistency niya. Mabango din siya, actually. So, ayan. And then, we will going to be using, ito yung mabango promise. Sobrang bango nito. Ayan, itong, The Elf Nano White Ghost. Ayan. So, 5. So, maganda din siya. So, we're going to do our lotion. Ayan. Ito yung Glutathione Vaseline and it's Flawless Glow version. This is also made in Taiwan. So, ano muna tayo? Lagay natin yung lotion. And then, titigyan natin yan na itong Arbutin. Then, and this one is the Nano-Dose. Ayun siya, guys. So, pagkasamasamahan natin siya. Ayan. Kita nyo naman, hindi pantay-pantay yung kulay ng ating balat, diba? Sobrang ano. Ayan. Gawin sa likod para magpantay-pantay. Don't mind my taba.
Why did you call it taba?
Yeah.
Because I'm fat?
No, me, I'm fat. Sobrang bango, promise. Sobrang. Promise.
You smell it?
You smell it, ano ko. So, guys, bango, right? Ayun. So, we're gonna do the other hand and then we're going to do the other legs din. Same, lang din. Same yung gagawin natin. So, we're gonna mix them all together. Kasi sabi nila mas effective daw yun. Yung iba minimix nila, nilalagay na silang sa container, pero I'm gonna use it like, separately. But you have to use them all at the same time. So, maganda daw to for whitening. So, ayan. So, importante yung self-care. So, I've been trying to do